Hello everyone. Today I start my new video of storytelling on my YouTube channel Mal Living. The stories belong to American movie Inception. The story starts with Cobbs and Arthur are expected who perform corporate inception using experimental dream sharing technology to influence their target subconscious and extract information. Their latest target, Saito, is impressed with Cobb's ability to layer multiple dreams within each other. He offered to hire Cobb for the obviously impossible job to implanting an idea into a person's subconscious performing inception on a robot fiction. The son of Saito and competitor Marcus Fisher which with the idea to dissolve his father's company. In return, Saito promised to clear Cobb's criminal status, allowing him to return home to his child. Cobbs accepts the offer and assembles his team: a forger named Amos, a chemist named Yusuf, and a college student named Aidan. Aidan is tasked with designing the dream's architecture, something Cobbs himself cannot do for fear of being sabotaged by his mind's projection of his late wife Mel. Marcus Fish died, and the team sedated Robert Fish into a third layer sharing dream on an airplane to America brought by Saito. Time of each layer runs slower than the layer above, with one member staying behind on each to perform a music syndrome's kick, using the French song Non Genie Regards to aware dreams on all three levels simultaneously. The team abducted robots in a city on the first level, but they are attacked by his trained subconscious projection. After Saito is wondered, Cobb's revealed that while dying in the dream would normally awake dreamers. Yusuf's sedative with instead send them into a limbo, a world of a infinite subconscious. Emma is impersonate Robert's godfather Peter Brownie to introduce the idea of alternative with the will to destroy the company. Cobb tells Aridan that he and Matt entered limbo while experimenting with dream sharing, experienced 50 years in one night due to the time dilate with reality. Mel refused to return to reality and Cobb instead performed inception on her to convince her. After waking up, Mal still believes she was dreaming or attempting to wake up. She commits suicide and framed Cobb to force him to do the same. Cobb fled the US level his child behind. Yusuf drives the team around the first level as they are seduced into the second level, a hotel dream by author. Cobb pursued Robert that he has been kidnapped by Brownie to stop the dissolution, and the Cobb is a defensive projection, leading Robert another third level deep as part of as rush to enter Robert's subconscious. In third level, the team influenced an Alpine forced with a projection of Marcus inside, where the inception itself can be performed. However, Yusuf performed his kick too soon by driving off a bridge, forcing Arthur and Anne to improve a new set of kick syndromes with them hitting the water. By riding an elevator and the photos represented with exploration. Mal then appears and kills Robert before he can be subjected to the inception, and he and Centro are lost into limbo, forcing Cobb and Aridan to rescue them in time of Robert's inception and arms kick. Cobb makes peace with his part in cause Matt's death. Aride kill Matt projection and wake Robert up with a kick. Revived into the third level, he discovered the planned idea. His dying father telling him to create something for himself, while Cobb searching search for Santo in limbo, and other ride the Syndro King back to reality. Cobb find an aged Santo and remind him remind him of their argument. The dreamer all awoke on the plane, and Centro make a phone call. Arrived at LA, Cobb passed the immigration checkpoint, and his father-in-law accompanied him to his home. Cobb used Mal Tochum, a top 12 spirit, into a dream to test if he indeed in the real world, but he chose not to observe the result and instead join his child. Thank you for the story.